What is going on? It's Sunday. I'm pretty much downtown Portland at Red Door Meet. If you live here, you know exactly what it is. If you don't, it's a big car meet in Portland every Sunday. And when I say big, I mean it's pretty fucking big. But I brought the S14. Look at it on the street again. Got the trailer parked kind of illegally. But I gotta go find a place to park this thing. And then we're gonna say hi to some friends, look at some cars, meet some new people. It should be a good time.
Just don't zoom in on those paint.
You want me to zoom in on the paint, dog? I'm already filming. There's no cutting corners here. When this car was red, me and this man used to get down when I had my 1J car.
Yeah.
This thing's sick.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, dog. Can I film the picture? What up, dog?
Chris, come here.
Hey, film your own car. Talk about it. Talk about the paint job.
This is my 95 240SX S14, basically stock. Built in my damn garage out of Harbor Freight Tools. And you know what I'm saying? We're gonna hold the camera like this. Get a little Caleb Quanbeck action going on. You see it? You see it, Caleb, with all the fans over there chilling. Yup. Stock S13 SR with T28 external wastegate, and yeah, tubs and removable front core support.
Headlight fluid.
Oh, I put my blinker fluid right in there. Nice. Yep. But yeah, then fucking shave door handles, you know what I'm saying? Hot boy. Hot boy.
Don't
you
give
see
the
it.
tricks away.
Oh no, I'm giving them away. Interior. All my fuses. Whoa. All my fuses. The turn on power to everything. Like that. Got everything going on. Everything that controls my car right there. And yeah, you know, besides it breaking every other week, it's a cool car. I don't know if he's gonna put this in, but he got it. He got the video. How do you stop this bitch? Right there? That one or that?
Press it.
Oh no, we're recording now. We're in there. Portland, Oregon, Red Door Meet, July 1st. It's a beautiful day outside. As you can see, it is lit. Yup. All kinds of nice whips here. All kinds of V8 S14s. You know what I'm saying? Yup. Looking nasty as always.
Come here, come here, come here. Yes, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Carlos is gonna be so jealous when I go home. This shit is hashtag ballin'. You gotta showcase that shit. Oh damn, this is sick.
It's off my buddy's truck that he got totaled, and he just took it off and gave it to me.
Is that your girlfriend?
Yeah.
How does she feel about that sticker?
She thinks it's funny.
Little baby. It seems like every car now has a BMX grip as a shifter or a handbrake. It's cool to see the collaboration between the two, you know, like action sports like BMW or like BMX and mountain biking into the car world. Who makes those things?
Gillian Scoff.
Is that you?
No, it's my friend.
It's your friend?
Yeah.
Plug. What's the Instagram? You want to put it on the screen?
Killer Knobs, at Killer Knobs.
Right here. Killer Knobs. Killer Knob. Sick.
What's up, bro?
Where's the dog at?
He's over here.
Come here, baby. Come here, little baby. Come here, come here, come here. Yes. What's up? Alright, I did a bar spin on his bike, which means I have to let him start the car now. Those two. And then push that button. Hold it. Huh? You give it a little rev, yeah. On the outside.
On the outside.
Trick, dude, come on. Hold on, what's the trick?
I'll do a full cab.
Off the loading dock? Let me get a half cab off the loading dock. Get back up there. That was sick. Boom. See?
Hey, you gotta get the back there. Fuck. I'm gonna go.
Look how sick this thing is, dude.
These are really like switches.
That feels sick. Look at Shad out here, dude. You're looking awfully big in there.
Yo, it's made for a little Japanese dude, not me.
What do you? Hey, special appearance by my man Brad.
What do you need?
I don't know. Let me get a. Can we do a 3 up onto the loading dock, 180 bar off?
3 up, 180.
180 bar off?
Yeah, that could probably work.
All right, let's get it. Brad showed up to the car meet, made my day. First try. First try. Man. Oh, come on, man. Now you're going to make him work?
Pistols be popping just like balloons. Niggas be.
What's happening?
What's up, Brody?
How you feeling? You good?
Good.
What's up, boys?
Smooth drive. Smashed. Say what's up.
Hey, bust the left right here. Yeah. All right. As I promised, Sideshow Tone in the Northwest. Out here. Got the car, no hood, fuck it. It's cold out here. What, it was cold?
It's hot as hell at home.
What up? Shane!
It's just like that Oakland cold.
Look, let me get a backflip, dude. Come on, dude, right out the car, backflip. Ah!
Give me a hug.
Come here, man. How you been? I miss you.
Hey, man, look at you.
glad to
We're
see
out
you.
here. What's up, guys?
This is Shane.
2 Shanes out here in the building.
AKA Mowgli. Thanks for coming, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate you doing this.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Don't touch it out.
The best sounding turbo LS ever. I don't know how it sounds so good.
Because it's got a blower cam.
That's what it is?
It does have a blower cam.
Yeah, because you got a blower. You love this way more though, huh?
So like everything that I've learned is like you do a normal cam for a turbo basically, and then when you do like a crazy turbo build, you do a crazy NA cam, right?
Yeah.
But like a lot of people like stay away from it because it's finicky, it's choppy on the low end, it doesn't give you drivability.
Yeah.
Like this totally cleans up top.
Yeah.
Which is not something that a turbo, I mean a turbo car, you should be able to have like a nice smooth low end and build a bunch of top end power.
Yeah.
But the tuner basically said, if you like the power band, leave the cam.
So it saved you money.
Basically.
Also.
Yeah, exactly. And it made like more power than.
What's it make on high boost?
We don't know.
What'd it make on low boost?
On low boost with no timing, it made 913 wheel, 840 torque.
That's not bad.
And that was 14 degrees of timing.
Alright, dog. Alright. This shit is sick, huh?